Learn how to cook golden egg stream fried rice, restaurant style. Obviously, a perfectly cooked egg fried rice is one where every grain of rice is coated with egg. As I'm using only egg yolk in this recipe, you can see the beautiful golden sheen on every rice. The ingredients are simple. We have 5 streams which are cut into half. Marinate the streams with a teaspoon of rice wine. Some white pepper and salt. We also need some minced shallots and garlic, 3 yolks, and 2 cups of rice. Add the yolks into the rice and mix. Make sure that every grain of rice is well coated with the yolk. We can now start frying. Saute the minced shallot and garlic until fragrant. Add the streams. Fry until cooked for about 1 minute. Next, add the rice into the wok. Keep stirring. A lot of people say that we must use day-old rice. For me, I usually cook the rice early in the morning when I get up, fluff it up, and then let it sit to cool for at least 3 to 4 hours before cooking it for lunch. Just make sure that we do not add too much water. Use 1 cup of water for 1 cup of rice. Add some salt. For best results, we have to fry the rice for about 5 minutes until the rice is jumping in the wok. Can you see it jumping? This is really golden. Spoon some chopped celery over the rice for extra crunch. Enjoy!